Question number 1. What is the average length of fallopian tube? Correct option is D, 10 to 12 centimeter. Question number 2. Which part of the uterus shed during menstruation? Correct option is C, endometrium. Question number 3. Which ligaments maintains uterine position? Correct option is B, cardinal ligament. Question number 4. Which structure collects ovum after ovulation? Correct option is C, fimbriae. Question number 5. Which phase is progesterone dominant? Correct option is A, luteal phase. Question number 6. How is menstrual blood different from normal blood? Correct option is C, doesn't clot. Question number 7. Why progesterone is called hormone of pregnancy? Correct option is D, maintains uterine lining. Question number 8. What is the innermost layer of uterus called? Correct option is C, endometrium. Question number 9. How many chromosomes are present in ovum? Correct option is A, 23 chromosomes. Question number 10. How does progesterone prevent abortion? Correct option is B, relax uterus. Question number 11. What is the normal shape of uterus in adult female? Correct option is D, pear-shaped. Question number 12. Which structure prevents backflow of menstrual bleed? Correct option is B, cervix. Question number 13. What is the most common site of ectopic pregnancy? Correct option is C, ampulla. Question number 14. How many follicles usually mature in one cycle? Correct option is B, one follicle. Question number 15. Where are estrogen receptors most abundant? Correct option is D, endometrium. Question number 16. Which hormone inhibits follicle stimulating and luteinizing hormone during pregnancy? Correct option is D, progesterone. Question number 17. Where are mammary glands hormonally controlled from? Correct option is C, pituitary gland. Question number 18. When does prolactin peak during pregnancy? Correct option is D, immediately after delivery. Question number 19. What is the average weight of a normal ovary? Correct option is B, 6 to 8 gram. Question number 20. Which hormone maintains pregnancy and first trimester? Correct option is A. HCG hormones. Question number 21. Where is the uterus normally positioned? Correct option is B. Anteverted position. Question number 22. Which structure separates uterine cavity from vagina? Correct option is A. Cervix. Question number 23. Why endometrial glands become coiled in luteal phase? Correct option is D. Due to progesterone effect. Question number 24. When does uterine involution completes after delivery? Correct option is A. 6 weeks. Question number 25. How does progesterone affect basal body temperature? Correct option is A. Increases. Question number 26. What is the term for inflammation of uterus? Correct option is D. Endometritis. Question number 27. Where does sperm survive longest in female trach? Correct option is D. Fallopian tube. Question number 28. When does sperm capacitation occurs mainly? Correct option is D. Fallopian tube. Question number 29. Which structure gives pear shape to uterus? Correct option is B. Fundus. Question number 30. Which structure forms the birth canal? Correct option is C. Vagina. Question number 31. What is the first action in ventricular fibrillation? Correct option is C. Defibrillation. Question number 32. Which drug is used in symptomatic bradycardia? Correct option is A. Atropine. Question number 33. Why is head elevation 30 degree in head injury? Correct option is B. To reduce intracranial pressure. Question number 34. Which fluid is preferred in hypothalamic shock initially? Correct option is D. Normal saline. Question number 35. Which urine output is considered adequate? Correct option is C. 30 milliliter per hour. Question number 36. Which electrolyte imbalance causes tetany? Correct option is B. Hypocalcemia. Question number 37. Why should insulin not be mixed with glargine? Correct option is C. Change pH. Question number 38. Which medication is safest for fever in children? Correct option is D. Paracetamol. Question number 39. Which stage of labor has cervical dilation? Correct option is C. Preeclampsia. Question number 40. Which stage of labor has cervical dilation? Correct option is D. Cervical Correct option is B. Second stage. Question number 40. Which prevention aims to reduce disability? Correct option is A. Tertiary. Question number 41. Which leadership style involves stop precipitation participation? Correct option is B. Democratic. Question number 42. Which disaster triage tag is first priority? Correct option is C. Red. Question number 43. Which family planning method is permanent? Correct option is C. Vasectomy. Question number 44. What is the nurse role in health education? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 45. What is the most reliable sign of adequate cardiac output? Correct option is C. Urine output. Question number 46. Which breathing sound indicates pulmonary edema? Correct option is B. Crackles. Question number 47. Which people change indicate brain herniation? Correct option is C. Dilated and non-reactive. Question number 48. Which drug is used to reduce cerebral edema? Correct option is A. Mannitol. Question number 49. Which symptom is seen in Parkinson's disease? Correct option is B. Tremor at rest. Question number 50. Which hormone regulates circadian rhythm? Correct option is B. Melatonin. Question number 51. The most common cause of primary amenorrhea is? Correct option is D. Hypothalamic dysfunction. Question number 52. The most common ovarian tumor in reproductive age is? Correct option is B. Dermoid cyst. Question number 63. Endometrial spiral arteries respond to which hormone? Correct option is A. Progesterone. Question number 54. Hormone suppressing ovulation during lactation is? Correct option is B. Prolactin. Question number 55. Secondary amenorrhea refers the absence of menstruation for? Correct option is B. 3 months. Question number 56. Menorrhagia is defined as menstrual blood loss exceeding? Correct option is A. 50 milliliter. Question number 57. Fibroids are most common in which age group? Correct option is C. 30 to 40. Question number 58. Which stage system is used for endometriosis? Correct option is D. A is RM. 59. Question number 59. The most common cause of female infertility is? Correct option is A. Ovulatory dysfunction. Question number 60. The most common cause of ovulatory dysfunction is? Correct option is A. Ovulatory dysfunction. Question number 61. The most common cause of ovulatory dysfunction is? Correct option is A. Ovulatory dysfunction. Question number 62. The most common cause of ovulatory dysfunction is? Correct option is A. Ovulatory dysfunction. Question number 63. The most common cause of ovulatory dysfunction is? Correct option is a polycystic Puri syndrome. Question number 61. Which antibody provide long-term protection? Correct option is a IgG. Question number 62. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct option is C. Live vaccine. Question number 63. Why oral polio vaccine is prepared in mass campaign? Correct option is D. Because it is cheap and easy. Question number 64. What is the main reason for giving birth dose vaccine? Correct option is B. Early protection. Question number 65. What type of immunity is provided by maternal antibodies? Correct option is C. Passive immunity. Question number 66. What is the first response after vaccination called? Correct option is C. Primary response. Question number 67. What vaccine mainly prevents severe childhood pneumonia? Correct option is B. PCV vaccine. Question number 68. Which vaccine should be protected from light? Correct option is C. BCG vaccine. Question number 69. Which vaccine is given in enterolateral tie? Correct option is B. Pentavalent vaccine. Question number 70. Which vaccine prevents neonatal tetanus? Correct option is D. TT vaccine and mother. Question number 71. Why live vaccine giving long lasting immunity? Correct option is B. Because it replicate in host. Question number 672. Health worker inject vaccine in buttock. What is the risk? Correct option is D. Sciatic nerve injury. Question number 73. A nurse recap needle after vaccination. What is the risk? Correct option is B. Needle stick injury. Question number 74. Which law explain air pressure volume relationship in lungs? Correct option is B. Pile's law. Question number 75. Which factor reduce radiation exposure? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 76. Which vitamin helps calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B. Magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C. Glucose. Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of Breathe. Correct option is B. Heart failure.
Question number 81. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Correct option is C. 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 82. Hand washing is most effective method to prevent. Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 83. Which pulse site is used during CPR in adults? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 84. Which artery is used to measure pulse in infants? Correct option is B. Brachial artery. Question number 85. Which temperature route is most accurate? Correct option is C. Rectal route. Question number 86. Which position is used for vaginal examination? Correct option is A. Lithotomy. Question number 87. Which infection controls method destroyed all microorganisms? Correct option is B. Sterilization. Question number 88. Which pulse is used in unconscious patients? Correct option is B. C. Carotid pulse. Question number 89. What is the normal oxygen saturation in healthy adults? Correct option is C. 95 to 100%. Question number 90. Which term describes high body temperature? Correct option is D. Hyperthermia. Question number 91. Which instrument is used to measure oxygen saturation? Correct option is B. Pulse oximeter. Question number 92. Which term describe difficult breathing while laying flat? Correct option is A. Arthropnea. Question number 92. Which position is best for unconscious patients? Correct option is D. Lateral position. Question number 94. Which of the following disease causes Koplik spots? Correct option is C. Measles. Question number 95. Which term refers to deficiency of oxygen in tissues? Correct option is A. Hypoxia. Question number 96. Which test measures blood sugar level? Correct option is A. RBS test. Question number 97. Which disease causes thyroid gland swelling? Correct option is B. Mumps. Question number 98. Which disease causes red rash and fever in children? Correct option is A. Measles. Question number 90. Which test is used to diagnose typhoid fever? Correct option is B. Vidal test. Question number 100. Which term refers to painful urination? Correct option is B. Dysuria.